It's engine day. Alright, so if you watch any of my other videos, you'll know that this guy right here developed a small problem, which I'll get into in a minute. And I still had the original shipping invoice for this guy. I sent in the warranty card for it. That broke back there on the mount. I asked them what they could do for me. They asked me to see the original invoice, and they sent me another one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there right now. I took it out, and as you can see, it broke right there. I'm not sure, it was probably a combination of things. It did break directly on the weld all the way around. I'm not sure. I'm not a structural aluminum scientist, whatever, but it looks like it was the final straw. Like it finally cracked and it finally came off right there. See via the indentations. But yeah, I sent him a couple pictures of these guys, and he sent me this. You ready for this? Brand new tubage and brand new rubber grommet. This guy right here goes on right there. My last one broke almost immediately, which may have contributed. Well, not immediately. It lasted about 3 months out of like the 2 years I had it. But that may have contributed to that. But I had this guy down on there pretty darn tight, so yeah. There it is, out of the bag, all nice and shiny and new. Oh, so pretty, so shiny. How about make it dirty? It's pretty much exactly the same. I feel like the badge might be a little bigger. Badges are different, slightly. Overall, it's the exact same thing. Obviously, they were gonna send me what I ordered. So I'm just gonna swap these out and toss it on there, see where it looks like. Alright, so I got that sucker back in there, looking pretty, looking shiny. What I ended up doing was I took one of the old tower braces that was over here somewhere and chopped off a couple pieces and just used that. Put the bolt that came with on the backside, the rubber part, and just for shits and giggles, an old valve cover that I used to have on there, just because it looks funny. But yeah, alright, so engine's back in the engine. While I was out here, I was goofing around, decided to throw in my old, whatever that thing's called, catch can, oil catch can. So, just threw that on there. I had to splice a bunch of pieces. I've used these tubing for a bunch of other things over the years, but I didn't want that blowback going into the new intake. I wanted to end that anyway, so I was thinking about doing it, so I went ahead and just did it. Just a couple of self-tappers into the firewall there, check to make sure there's nothing behind it. Yeah, that's about it. That's what I did here. Looks good, glad to have it back in. Future thoughts are going to be painting the throttle body and the valve cover gasket. I also want to paint the inside, but I don't know what color. I was goofing around with the gold just to see, but I don't know. It's a little gaudy and it looks kind of stupid. So, alright, that's what I got going on right now.